We are out and about today, baby. You guys see I'm on the ZX10. I can't believe I own a ZX10, man. As much as I battle these bikes.
Yeah.
If it's cars, bikes, whatever it is, get out and enjoy it. Up for a little cruise today. Not much to talk about. Got my homie on day walker, Freddie, on day walker back there. I don't know if he can keep up though. We'll find out. Do a little blast real quick. This traffic is crazy right now. This is also a test for my sound at high speed. Trying to make sure that my sound is coming in good. He's still with me. We rolling. Ooh, a little speed wobble there. I know them ZX10s are notorious for them tank slappers. As you guys saw, I did not panic. I let off the gas, regained control, and I'm still rolling. I do plan on upgrading the steering damper on this bike. I do not have a name for it yet, so you guys tell me, what should I name my 2020 Kawasaki ZX10? What should I name it? It's a Gen 5, nearly stock. I say nearly stock because it still had like 2,000 miles on it when I bought it. But I've always liked this, the look of this bike. I just didn't get one because there was so many of them out on the street. Now that the buzz about them is starting to fade, and I think the Gen 6 is starting to show its presence, dominance. I'm thinking this would be a good time for me to go ahead and put my hands on one. Yeah. Okay, G say he done had enough. He done had enough. You strapping, huh? He's strapping that joker up because he know this is the time to get me right now while I'm stocking. No mods. It's all good though. We're gonna see what we can get ourselves into. Probably just ride out, go grab some food and chill. You want that smoke? You want that smoke, G? Look at them boys. Gas cap spraying fuel everywhere. Oh, that sucks. Well, glad I figured that out now. Man, I have fuel all over. Let's go, T. Go get one. Get you one. Get you one. You tried it. I got something for you, G. I got something for you. I got something for you. Oh yeah. We're gonna get this stock. We're gonna get this stock bike together. It's not a fair race, folks. It wouldn't be. He's a heavyweight, so I think I'll still give him a ride. Oh man. That's speed wobble, boy. Jeez, I got fuel everywhere. Y'all see this? That's fuel. This new gas cover quick release cap is not going to work. I got to find a solution to prevent this from happening. Yep. We made it home. Got a chance to do a couple rips on this Joker after making some changes. Definitely had to swap out the rear sets. The brake side still needs some adjustment because I have no way of lowering this front part of the lever without adjusting the cylinder, and I maxed out on the adjustment there, so it sits a little too high and it's not as comfortable as I would like it to be. But the clutch side or the gear side is perfect, no complaints there. I went with the Arashi rear set, and this allowed me to do a GP conversion. You guys know the ZX10s do not come with the option to do a GP conversion like most of the newer bikes do, which is a little disappointing. A little behind the learning curve there, but there's options. Those rear sets cost me about $120 or $130, and it was just a quick swap and I made it work. So we had a good time. Freddie, what you think, man, of the triple?
A lot of fun. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Not a helicopter, but
Freddie just like to ride and eat. So, Dude Mungus, this your guy right here. Ride and eat. Anyways, we home, so I'm about to put the bikes up and hang out the rest of the evening. So until next time, like always, appreciate you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.